Okay, what's up, guys? It's your guy shapiroacid once again. And guys, this video, I'm doing this video for educational purpose only. Yeah, guys, everything that I will do in this video, everything I will show in this video, I'm not doing it for people to go and misuse it. Yes, I'm doing it for educational purposes only, and I'm doing it to help people that they think that their family member or their friends are having money, and when they ask them, they refuse to give it to them. I'm doing this video for those people, so I'm not doing this video to go and misuse it. So I'm pleading for that. So once again, it's your guy shapiroacid, and guys, I'm a YouTuber. I create content about how to make money online. So if this is your first time on my channel, you can see I have a bunch of videos there that talk about how to make money online. The one I did yesterday, the one I did a month ago, I have a lot of videos online that will show you how to make money online. So if this is your first time, just go to your browser, type in shapiroacid. You can see I have this video too that says how to borrow money from MTN. Yeah, and I'm also borrowing money. I don't know how to say it. So guys, you can also do it for yourself. And I have this one, so just click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon below so you can notify anytime I drop more videos. And guys, in today's video, I'll be talking about how you can hack a mobile money account. Yeah, I'm going to talk about how you can hack a mobile money account. So without wasting much time, I will just hop up with everything. I don't want to make this video long. I just want to cut everything short, so I'm not going to waste much time. And guys, if you don't understand this video, you don't understand anything in this video, just never mind. I'll drop a link to my website below, then you can go and read more about the video. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you evidence that the app I'm going to show you in this video is not on Play Store. So let's see. I'm going to use an app called Xsaver. So as you can see, let me type Xsaver. Okay, you can see we don't have the app that I'm going to use in this video is not on Play Store. So it's the app that I have sat down and generated myself. So I'm going to show you how you could be able to get it. So you can see this is Telegram. This is my account, Money Gang on Telegram. So I will leave a link below the video. When you install the app on your phone and you start, guys. So once again, the app is not on Play Store, so you go to my Telegram account. I will leave a link below, then you install it. So whilst installing the app, please like this video, comment below, let me know your biggest problem you are facing, and I will stick to all your problems below. Okay, so guys, the app has successfully installed, and where they have, so guys, under there when they have said don't have an account, that's why you're going to click it. So you're going to click on sign up that I already have an account, as you can see there. Okay, so whilst I don't know why it's not loading, but it's supposed to come. Okay, it's here. So now they said our name, our email, our password, and we should confirm our password. So I'm going to enter my email. Okay, sorry, my name. Okay, so that's my name right there. Okay, that's my name right there. Okay, my email. Okay, so guys, make sure you give them accurate name and email so that when you are logging into your account, you not face any difficulty. Okay, so that's it. That's my email there, and now my password and all those things. My password also has to be there and all those things. So I don't know which password to choose, but let me choose a random password. So make sure you stick with me, and guys, don't forget once again, give me a like on this video, comment below, subscribe, and share this video. So after filling the form, just click on sign up. Okay, you can say they said that you can say I have the login, they have my name there, I have what they say unactivated. So click on what you put then the number of the person that you want to hack, the account that you are going to hack. You put the person's number there. So I'm just going to suggest a number. I'm just going to put a random number there, because this video I'm just showing for a tutorial. I'm not showing this video for so that's the number up there. So after you have entered the person's number, then you click on what start process. Guys, you can say it's what your account must be activated first. Guys, mind you, never click on the activate. When you click on activated, you are going to generate a virus on your phone. So never click on the activated. So guys, at this juncture here, if you know that you want to activate your code and all those things, you just leave me a comment below that okay, shapiroacid, I want the code, and I will give you back or whatever that it takes for you to get a code. Then we just say it and we hope over the video. Okay guys, so I have my account activated. So what I will do is that I will use them to show you everything that okay, this app is really working. So as you can see, I have to cover some things for some reason. As you can see, this is my account that we have here, and you can see that down there you have written out activated. So my account has been activated. So I'm going to show you how the money will come. Okay, so when the accounts have been activated, all you need to do is just to click on start process. So click on the start process. Now you can see that we have we have signing up loading there. You have the signing up loading there. So within some minutes you have to receive your money. The money has to be in. That's how the app works. Yeah. So it's a genuine app that is working for this 2020. Because they said done successfully. So you receive a message that okay, this amount of money, you have successfully linked your account to what to this person's account, so you can withdraw money anytime. So make sure that you come and install the app here. The app is here, so make sure you come and install the app here and check out my website for more information about the app and all those things. And guys, if you think that you have found a value in this video, please give me a thumbs up, and guys, comments below that let's get that money, let's get that online money. Comments below. So this is my website. Come and read more about about the blog post about how to hack the account and all those things. So guys, see you in my next video. But comment and let me know your biggest problem. What do you think my next video should be on? I have a bunch of projects that I'm working on, but you can also advise me that shapiroacid, that we would like to you to do video on this and this and that, so that I will give more information about everything that you asked for. So I don't want to make this video long, so I want to end this video here. As you can see, don't forget to share. Hey guys, before I forget, I would like to show you a preview of the blog that I've written so far on how to hack accounts. So as you can see, this is my website, and it said how to hack a mobile money account. Okay, as you can see, so I have a full blog that I've written about it. You can see so those of you who don't understand anything, maybe something in this video, you can come and read the blog. I have a blog post that talk about the things that I do the video about, so you can come and read, and you get more information from here. Then you can go back to the video and do whatever I'm showing you here. So everything is logic, and you can make a lot of money there. So those of you who want to hack your friend's account, you can chat me or leave a comment for me. Okay, I'm out.